First, get out the ingredients. 6 pieces of Hershey's chocolate, a half cup of marshmallows, 1 banana, and 1 square foot of aluminum foil. Peel off the front section of the banana peel. Make sure to leave that peel attached to the end. With a knife, cut the sides of the exposed banana at a 45-degree angle. Take out the cut piece of banana with a knife or your fingers. Put it aside. Put 3 pieces of chocolate on both sides of the banana, end to end. Fill the spaces in between the chocolate with marshmallows. Place the peel back on top of the banana. Put the banana in the center of the aluminum foil diagonally and wrap the banana completely in foil. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. You can eat or discard your unused banana piece. When the oven is preheated, open the oven and carefully place the banana on the rack. After the oven is closed, set the timer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, carefully remove the banana from the oven and place it on a heat-resistant surface. To make sure the chocolate has melted, peel off a little bit of tin foil and banana peel. If it's ready, open the aluminum foil and let it cool for 1 minute. If the chocolate hasn't melted, place the banana back in the oven for 2 more minutes and recheck. Peel or cut off the flap of banana peel. Your banana boat is complete. Enjoy!